Good morning, everyone, or whatever time of day it is where you are. Today we'll take some breaths with nature. Soft, sibilant, sonorous, centering breaths. Simply begin by taking a comfortable seated position, and if you need support, please place your back against a wall. Begin by softening your eyes, especially at the corners. Soften the skin of your face. Release your jaw. Relax your lips. Simply begin with soft, easy, normal breaths. Okay, so we're going to warm up here our lungs with this little guy. We're going to breathe with the cicada. Ready? Here we go. And again. One more time. And relax. Okay, the lungs are a little bit more open, a little bit more space. Again, relax your eyes, soften the skin of your face, release your jaw. Begin to take the breath in a little bit more full, but still soft. Think of soft sounds, the breeze moving through the air, the ocean at low tide, insects, beetles walking over the earth. That's the sound of the breath. We're going to breathe here with the elements of nature. First, the wind. And finally, the sky. The Sanskrit word for sky or space, ether, is akasha. And it's such a beautiful word. You can hear the spaciousness in the word akasha. Breathe akasha. Inhale. Soft, expansive, light. Exhale. And know that no matter how full things feel, how full of feelings, stuff, that there is always more space, more akasha than there is stuff in the world. Even atoms, the smallest particles, have infinitely more space in them than particles, meaning there is always space for things to happen. Soft, steady breaths, quiet, Relax the eyes, especially at the corners. Let your tongue rest on the floor of your mouth. Let there be a very small space between the lips, like they are touching but not touching. Relax completely the skin of your face. And if you feel like it, go ahead and close your eyes. Make your eyes feel like two heavy stones sinking down into a deep well. Relax your temples and even release the front of your brain away from your skull. Take everything inside. And see all the space within. Thank you, everyone, and good night.